Myself, Yuvraj Sonone, Associate Professor in Botany, Mahatma Gandhi Vidya Mandirs, SPH, Arts, Science and Commerce College, Nampur, Taluka Baglan, District Nashik. Today, I am going to teach a topic, anatomy of dicot and monocot stem. Internal structure of dicot stem. For example, sunflower botanical name is Helianthus anus. A transverse section of young stem of sunflower reveals following anatomical details. Epidermis. It is a outermost single layer composed of compactly arranged parenchymatous cells. The outer wall of the epidermis is cutinized. A large number of multicellular epidermal hairs and sometimes a few stomata are found on the epidermis. Ground tissue is differentiated into two distinct zones, the hypodermis and the cortex. Hypodermis lies below the epidermis. It is made up of parenchymatous cells. Hypodermis forms a continuous band providing mechanical support to the growing stem. Cortex. It is found next to hypodermis and consists of loose parenchymatous cells with a fairly large number of intercellular spaces. Some isolated mucilage canals are present. The cells of cortex may contain some chloroplast and thus may function as assimilatory cells. Cortical cells mainly serve for food storage. Endodermis. A uniserate, wavy, well-defined layer of parenchymatous cells containing starch grains. Still, polyfascicular cypnostele. Pericycle. It is present in the form of crescent-shaped patches outside the vascular bundle. These are formed of sclerenchymatous fibers. Vascular bundles. A ring of conjoint, collateral, endark and open. Phloem. It found below the pericycle and is composed of sieve tubes, companion cells and phloem parenchyma. Phloem cells are living and they conduct the food materials. Cambium. It is present in between phloem and xylem. It is many layered. Cambium is responsible for the secondary growth and increases thickness of the stem. Xylem, well developed. It is composed of vessels, tracheids and xylem parenchyma. The xylem vessels are angular. Large vessels represent metaxylem and show reticulate thickening. The smaller vessels represent the protoxylem, which shows annular or spiral thickening. Perforations in vessels are simple. Xylem is endark. The chief function of xylem is to conduct water. Pith. A large pith composed of thin walled parenchymatous cells occupies the central region. The cells are rounded or polygonal, thin walled with several intercellular spaces. Cells of pith store food material. Internal structure of monocot stem. For example, maize. Botanical name is Ghea mace. The transverse section of monocot stem reveals the following anatomical details. Epidermis. It is the single outermost layer composed of small, compactly arranged, thin-walled, barrel-shaped parenchymatous cells without any hairs. Ground tissue. It is differentiated into a sclerenchymatous hypodermis, 2-3 layers thick and thin-walled parenchymatous tissues with a large number of intercellular spaces. It is commonly called ground tissue, embedding many scattered vascular bundles. Stele is atectostele. Vascular bundles are numerous, oval, conjoint, collateral, and closed vascular bundles are scattered in the ground tissue. Phloem is convex towards the xylem and is formed of sieve tubes and companion cells only. Phloem parenchyma is absent. In mature bundle, the protophloem cells get crushed due to internal pressure, so the inner phloem is the metaphloem. Xylem. The xylem is Y-shaped. The large pitted elements represent the metaxylem. The smaller with the spiral thickening represent the protoxylem. A lysigenous cavity. On either side of the lysigenous cavity lies xylem parenchyma. References. Thank you for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.